left school but they couldn't find a job, so they said farewell and stole a small town car. As they were riding by the beach some summer night, the radio shouted out one of those songs that might just change your life. It went like this. Shake it in, shake it out, making love out of watching all your flowers. I like it when I like the stars in your eyes, just like fireworks in the sky. Yes, I do. Swans on boats through the ports and docks, they were sleeping outdoors, pushing on their luck. They sent me a letter full of pulse and thrills, then they both got